Okay, so this is some old style AC, old style refrigerator. I got some bread. Okay, and okay, this video is about how a lot of traffic here. Oh, road closed. I think this is the place where I should go now. Okay. Okay, so I go into this road closed area. Maybe it's really not a good idea to go there. Okay. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you is how you keep cool in the summer. What I wanted to tell you is how you keep cool this side. What I wanted to tell you is how you keep cool in the summer when it's really hot and you have to go outside to get some food. And really the easiest way to keep cool when you're outside is to wear a hat. Just wear a simple hat like this Panama style, or don't know, any hat, a baseball hat or a whatever hat you have, but it's really good to have one of these things. I'll put the bread in the pocket. Any hat you might have is better than no hat, and this style of hat actually, any hat is better than no hat, and this style of hat is actually pretty good. Without hat, I'm completely exposed, and I have a short haircut now. Get cooling faster. But if you actually, I think long hair is maybe better to have to keep shade on your head. If you have a shaved head, it's really bad to be in the sun like this. I wouldn't have a shaved head, but this style of hat, I don't know if you noticed, there's one important detail here. I don't know if you noticed, but there is one important detail here. The hat is wet, and I did this on purpose. I did it so that I can cool down. I did it so that I can cool down with the hat. My hat is wet. I put just a bit of water on it. I put just a bit of tap water on it. And you can get water from anywhere, even drinking water if it's really, you can't find any tap water. A bit of water, make it a little bit moist, soaked, and that's all it needs. That's all it needs. It's much better than to be in the hat than no hat. Much better to be in the hat than no hat. So when you're outside, you're traveling somewhere, if you're on your holiday, make sure you bring this type of hat. If you don't have a hat, to wear a towel. You can actually wear a towel like this, and if it's a little bit wet towel, it's even better. It's a bit noisy here, but I think you will not hear it in the recording. This is the road closed. So if you have a hat with you, wear the hat. And if you don't have a hat, wear a towel or a t-shirt. You can put a t-shirt on your head like this. A wet t-shirt on the head. It's gonna be a wet t-shirt on your head or a towel. at the beach or when you're going around town, it's much better than having the exposed head. Cap, a baseball cap or a Panama style like this should be fine. Hopefully this is useful for you. Enjoy your holiday if you're on a holiday, or make sure you pack everything you need if you're about to go on a holiday. And let me know in the comment section below let me know in the comment section below what holiday trips you have and how you pack your bags. If you take a big bag or a small bag, a backpack or a shoulder bag, what is your secret? How you make it, the packing, so it's easy and convenient, so you have enjoy your time. What things you take with you, especially what things you never take with you, like some things that you should not bring, like a hat. Well, actually, I think you should bring. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you. Let me know in the comment section below what's your traveling trips, traveling tricks, and holiday tricks. I got my bread, so I'll eat it. Okay. This is some posters. They put posters in the corner here. I'm surprised my phone is still working. It didn't overheat. I'm recording this in 4K 60 HDR. It still works. Very unusual. Oh, I just saw a big lizard. Big lizard. Behind here. Big lizard. Oh, look there. Don't know if you saw it. This is the Kurkudas lizard. Can't see anything on the screen, but it's recording it. I don't know where it is. It went away. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. A little garbage around here. What's this? It's like cardboard boxes. Okay. Big tree there on the church. Okay. I think the phone is blocked. Looks like it's stuck, yeah. Or no.